How to book Uber for two-person. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To book Uber for two-person, firstly open up your Uber application. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. To book Uber for two-person, it is quite simple than you think. Just like any other normal ride booking, tap on Where To option at the top. Select your destination. At the side, you will see this plus sign icon. You can tap on this plus sign icon to add stops. In this stop, you can add your friend's stop as well. This will allow you for multiple pickup as well. Ensure that you have added accurate location of your friend's stop. Once the stop has been added, now all you have to do is select a ride that is affordable and economic for you. Once you have added it, you can tap on the confirm button. It is always polite to negotiate with your Uber driver if he or she asks for some price for the multiple stop. If not, you can enjoy the ride with your friends. Which brings up to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.